Hello guys, hello everyone. Today is the day 20 of our 21 days challenge of spoken English and I am almost happy that this challenge is going to almost complete. And let's come to the point directly, and that is we started a new learning yesterday, that is exploring some interview questions, because we all are the aspirants who want job, who want who first is who want to start our career first at like in a job, because most of the people come from middle class family. They don't have so much funds, sufficient funds to start any business. So we only have one opportunity we have only one opportunity to make our career, that is getting a job, because it is a safe and secure side to make our career. And we most of the people take risk only when they have a very strong background, or depends on their situation. But this is now our situation is we are going to get a job and our interview is scheduled. So there are many questions which are common in any job, from a very average paying to high paying job. Even in the low paying job, some common questions always ask everywhere, right? So the today's question is very simple. Tell me about yourself, right? And I know most of you know already this answer. I am here to practice of myself. If you think it is helpful for you, so you can watch this video. If you don't think that it is not helpful, so you can learn from, there are a lot of videos on YouTube or any social media. There are many mentors, you can learn from them, right? But just do practice, do your practice always. So if interviewer asks you the question, tell me about yourself, you can give the answer in this way. Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Mudit Garg. I am from Bulandshahr in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed BCom from IP College, Bulandshahr. My goal is to get a job in a reputed company where I can build my career according to my skills and help the organization too. My hobbies are reading books, dancing, and exploring the new in demand skills and learnings. I lastly I am a little bit slow but steady learner, and I always believe in learning from my past mistakes and experiences. That's all about me, sir. Thank you. So in this way we can give this answer, and this answer should not take more than 45 to 50 seconds. It should be concise, and it will it should give a brief about yourself, about from past to your future. What is you, what you want, what you have, right? So this was a optimum answer according to me. I have explored YouTube and other things, and in the past, wherever I have given interviews, I formed my answer in the same way, and I got the job. This answer worked for me, and if you need this answer needs some modifications by which it can become much better. So please share your thoughts, your opinions in the comment, and tell me that these rectifications can make this answer more attractive and impactful. And if you share any video of yourself which describes some other modifications and attractful interactful answer of this question, so please share. and don't hesitate to share anything. Or at the last year, learning is everything. Do practice, more practice and practice. Because if you are going to give an interview, the situation of that interview is much different, is absolutely different from the situation where you are right now. So do practice in that much way, in that much quantity, that your mouth automatically speak out the answer of that question. Because at the time, many times it has been seen that goes aspirants go blank at that time to give any answer, even after they have much practice. So make ensure that you have done a lot practice, that there will be no chance, even 1% of chance of forgetting any single word of your answer. You will be ready to give any answer of your questions, to give any answer of the questions of interviewer with the confidence. Remember it, that any smooth performance you see, you watch on the social media or YouTube, that takes too much practice. If you watch Zakir Khan performing on the big stages, so if you get a chance to meet him, so ask him how much practice do you do before performing. So he will surely say the same answer, that it needs much more practice. It needs practice of some days, months, and sometimes in years, right? So if you want to if you want to make your interview smoother, so please ensure that you have done a lot of practice before that. Just doing practice one time will work you for years, right? So don't go away from doing practice, don't run away from doing hard work. This is like, I don't want to do anything shit now, and do practice. Let's meet on the day 21 tomorrow, and we are going to complete this challenge. And I am feeling some excitement in myself, in my heart. And best of luck, guys. Goodbye. Let's meet tomorrow.